Hey, welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I will show you how to hide replies on X. Let's open X on my device and go to profile picture at the top left and then enter your profile section. As you can see, your profile has several sections. Those are posts, replies, highlights, etc. You need to open replies section right here and go to whatever post that you want to hide your replies on, open it and find specific reply that you want to hide. So next to it you have to tap three-dot button right here and you want to press hide reply option and confirm by pressing hide reply. And also you can select whether you want to block that user or you don't want to do it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.